So hello and welcome to the course. In this video, we have downloaded the project boilerplate. If you haven't already, you can grab that in the previous lesson and then hopefully drag it into a text editor of your choice. For this, I'm using Visual Studio Code, and you should have a folder structure and file system that looks something like this. Now, we're not really going to be touching any of these files throughout the course. However, we are going to be dealing with our index.js file, which simply at the moment just imports some styles for our web page over here. Much like our other JavaScript courses here, we're using Babel, we're using ESLint, and we're also using Webpack. Webpack is then going to spin up a server for us to then develop our JavaScript applications on a local host environment. And we also have our package.json, which has all of our dependencies and our scripts inside. So really, we're just going to be use npm run start, which is then going to boot up our Webpack development server. You can then check out the rest of the dependencies that we have here, and we've also got some custom Babel plugins included as well. And as you scroll down, you can see that we have things such as Babel, CSS Loader, ESLint, and our other dependencies that we're using in the project. So that's a quick walkthrough. We don't really need to worry too much about what's in this sidebar. In fact, I'm going to hide it for the duration of this course, and we're just going to be focusing on this one file where we build out lots of examples. Now, if you can bring up your terminal, let's go ahead and install the project. This is nice and easy. You can just simply run a quick npm install. This will then go and fetch all of our dependencies and store them inside our node modules folder. When that's complete, we will then see them in our sidebar. So hopefully you should have something like this with a clean install, and we can just simply run an npm start, which boots up our Webpack dev server, and we get a notification that says our project is running at localhost 4000. We can go to the browser and you can see exactly that. Now we could add a small alert, hello world, just to check that this does in fact work. We can go to the browser and there you go. So that's it for this video. We've successfully installed the project. Anytime that we recompile, we'll be able to see our changes and any potential errors down here in the console as well. So that's it for this video, and let's carry on with the course.